Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the YouTube application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if your YouTube application is not working as it is supposed to, and if you are facing many errors and glitches, then this is probably because your application is not updated to the latest version. So in order to fix this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in YouTube and start your search. Once you find the YouTube application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the update button. Just tap on the update button and this will begin the download and installation of the latest updates for the YouTube app. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application and start using the latest updates right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the latest updates for the YouTube application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.